Good morning all of you. In the previous class we have seen about the chapter statics and we have seen some questions based on mean deviation from the help of mean deviation from the help of median. We have seen questions based on it and we have solved it. Now today we will discuss about variance and we will see the formula of variance and standard deviation for discrete frequency also and for continuous frequency also. So let the formula of variance is what sigma square is equal to summation I is equal to 1 to n xi minus x bar whole square by n. By this formula we can find out the variance. Variance sigma square is equal to summation I is equal to 1 to n xi minus x bar whole square by n. Now for discrete frequency, the formula of variance will be sigma square is equal to 1 by n square under bracket n summation fi xi square minus summation fi xi whole square where I is equal to 1 to n, I is equal to 1 to n. Okay. This is the formula of finding variance for discrete frequency. Now for find out standard deviation ST, we can find the square root of this variance. So we can write also standard deviation is square root of variance. Okay. By this formula we will find the square root of this, then it will be our what? Standard deviation. Okay. Now this is our sigma square, which is n summation I is equal to 1 to n fi xi square minus summation I is equal to 1 to n fi xi whole square. Okay. Now for continuous frequency, sigma square is h square by n square and this is n summation I is equal to 1 to n fi y I square summation I is equal to 1 to n fi y I whole square. This is the formula of finding variance for the continuous frequency where yi is equal to what? Where yi is equal to xi minus a by h. Okay. This is our formula. So now using these formula we will solve some questions of exercise 15.2 of your NCERT book. Let's see one by one. Okay. Exercise 15.2, first question. First question is find the mean and variance for the following data. The data is 6, 7, 10, 12, 13, 4, 8 and 12. This is we have to given the data and we have to find out the variance. So first what we will do, we will find x bar. X bar is 6 plus 7 plus 10 plus 12 plus 13 plus 4 plus 8 plus 12 and divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is it. Now x bar will be what? 6 and 7, 13 and 10, 23 and 12, 35, 35 and 3, 38, 48 and 4, 52, 60, 70, 72 by 8. So x bar is what? Our x bar is 9. Now we made the table. Our xi, which is what? 6, 7, 10, 12, 13, 4, 8, 12. Okay. Now we have to what? Find out yi. This is equal to what? This will be our, either don't write this, xi minus x bar. Okay. So xi minus x bar will be what? X bar 72 by 8, this is 9, and xi minus x bar. Xi is 6 minus 9, so it is minus 3, 7 minus 9 minus 2, 10 minus 9 1, 12 minus 9 3, 13 minus 9 4, 4 minus 9 4 minus 9 minus 5, 8 minus 9 minus 1, 12 minus 9 3. Okay. Now we will what? Find out xi minus x bar whole square. Okay. We will find out the square because in the formula of variance sigma square is summation I is equal to 1 to n xi minus x bar whole square divided by n. So we will find out the square. This is 9, 4, 1, 9, 4, 16 and 25 and 1 and 9. Okay. Now we will find the sum of these. We will get 10, 25, 35, 35 and again 25, 35 and 25 will be 60 and 65 and 9, 74 near about. Okay. Our sum is what? This is. Now we have to find out what? We have to find out sigma square, that is our, which is our variance. And we know the formula. This is summation I is equal to 1 to n xi minus x bar whole square by n, and the sum of this term we have find out what? 74, and our number of term is 8. So divide this, so 9.5 will be our required variance. Okay. 8, 9 is 72 and 2 0, 8 2 is 16, then 5 is 40. Okay. So in this way we can find out the variance from the given data. I hope you understand. Now we will see next question. Our next question is question number 3, which is find the mean and variance of first 10 multiple of 3. So first 10 multiple of 3 is 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So these are the first 10 multiple of 3, and we have to find out the variance of these. So first what we will do? First we will find the mean of this. Okay. Now we are going to write this xi, which is what? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27 and 30. This is our xi. Now we have to find the variance and mean. So first we will find out this yi, and yi is xi minus x bar. So we have supposed that taking, assuming like 15 or 18. So this is, we are supposed that taking 15 by h, and h is our difference is 3. So taking difference 3. So now we will write what? Y is xi, 3 minus 15 by 3. 3 minus 15 minus 12, this is minus 4. And 6 minus 9 by 3 minus 3, this is minus 2. And this is minus 1. And 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. Now this is what? This is our yi. Now we will find what? Yi square. Okay. So we get what? Yi square is 60, 9, 4, 1, 0, 1, 4, 9, 60, 25. Okay. Now we will find our mean. Mean x bar is what? Because we have to find the mean and variance both. So we will first find mean. A plus summation yi n into h. A is 15 plus summation yi. Okay. Now summation yi by n and summation yi is what? This will be, the number of term is 10 and summation y1 5. This 4 and 3, 2, 1 will be cancelled. Here will be what? 5. So it will be 5. And h is 3. So 15 plus 15 by 10. So x bar will be what? 15 plus 1.5. That is 16.5. This is our mean. Now we have to find out our variance. For find out variance, we will use the formula sigma square is equal to h square by n square under bracket n summation yi square minus summation yi whole square. Okay. H is 3, so we write 3 square. N is 10, so 10 square 10, and summation yi square is, now we will add this term. Adding this we get 16, 25 and 5, 30. So this is 30, this is 30, 60 and 60, 20, 80. So what we are getting here? We are getting what? 85. So this is 85 and summation yi. So it is 5 square. Now we will solve it. 9 by 100 and here 850 minus 25. Now 9 by 100 into 825. Okay. Now multiply this. 9 5s are 45 and 9 2s is 18 and 4. 22, 9 is 72 and 2, 74 by 100. So sigma square will be what? 74.25. This is our variance, which we have to find out from the given information. What we have done, we have to given the data that find the mean and variance of the first 10 multiple of 3. So first 10 multiple of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 7, 30. These are the first 3 multiple. Okay. So xi is this. We are using here for finding mean. We are using assume mean method. We can also find out it by direct method. Okay. So yi is xi minus 15 by 3. We have taken 15 is as a is 15. This is our assume mean. Now and we will put and our common difference. Class size is difference is 3. So h is 3. Okay. So we are using here xi minus 15 by 3 and getting subtract. We are putting the value of x1, x2, x3, x4 dot here, and we get minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now we are finding y square of this. We are getting here. Now we have finding the sum of these. This is 5 and this is what? 85. Now we know that for the mean x bar is equal to a plus summation yi by h into by m into h. This is our h and this is n. Okay. So 15 plus 5 by 10 into 3, because summation yi is 5, h is over 3. Now we are multiplying this. We get 15 by 10 and x bar will be what? 16.5. After calculation we get our mean 16.5. Now we have to find out our variance. So our variance, we know the formula x sigma square is equal to h square by n square and summation yi square and minus summation yi whole square. So 3 square by 10 square. Now n is 10. Here this is 85 and this term is 5. So we square up 5. We will write. After multiplication we get this. Now after simplification we are getting our variance is 74.25. Okay. I hope you understand easily. Now we will see the next question. Our next question is question number 4, in which xi is given and fi is given. Okay. So xi is what? 6, 10, 14, 18, 24, 28, 30, and fi is 2, 4, 7, 12, 8, 4, 3. Okay. This is the information which we have to given, and from this information we have to find out our mean and variance. Okay. So for finding out mean and variance, we can use both methods. Either we can use direct method, either we can use shortcut method. Okay. So let's find out this. So first we will find the mean. So fi xi, we are finding fi xi. Now multiply this. 2 6 are 12, 4 10s are 40, 98, 216, 4 8s are 32, 4 2s are 8, and 3 11, 3 3s are 90. Okay, this is our Fixi. Now, what we will find? We will find our mean. So our frequency is what? Summation Fi. Okay, our frequency is summation Fi. 2 4 7 12 8 4 3. So add this 3 4 7 7 8 15 15 12 27 27 and 7 34 38 40. This is 40, and summation Fixi is what? 2 4 6 10 18 20 0 and 2 2 9 11 12 and 9 12 and 10 22 and 9 31 35 36 and 3 3 1 4 4 1 5 5 2 7. So summation Fixi is 760. Now our x bar, this is what? So summation Fixi by summation Fi. So we have find out 760 by 40. Now this will be cancelled. We get our mean is what? So our x bar means our mean is 19. Now we have to find the variance. For variance, we will subtract this mean Xi minus x bar whole square. Okay. So we first find out their difference. Xi is 6, x bar is 19. So it will be what? Minus 13, 10, minus 9, 14, minus 5, minus 1, 5, 28, minus 7, 30, and this is 30, sorry, this is not in minus 1. So 30 minus 19, so it will be 11. Now we will find the square of this x minus x bar. Okay, so we get what? 169, 81, 25, 1, 25, 49 and 121. This is the square. Okay. Minus x bar, 28 minus 9, so it will be 28 minus 90, so it will be 9, so 9 square is 81. Now add this, we get what? Summation Xi minus x bar whole square. 1 1 2 and 5 7 and 1 8 8 5 13 1 14 14 and 19 23 2 2 4 8 12 and 2 14 14 to 16 16 and 8 24 24 and 6 30 3 4 4 and 1 5. So okay. Now we will find out next column. Next column is Fi Xi minus x bar whole square. Okay, now multiply this with frequency. After multiplication this with frequency, we get what? 2 9s are 18, 2 6 are 12, and 1 13, 2 1 are 2, and 1 3, 4 1 are 4, 4 8 are 32, 7 5 are, this is 175, and this is 12, and this is 200, and 4, and 4 8 are 32, and this is, okay. Now this is the multiplication of these fi and x, I minus x bar square. Okay, now we will add these two. We have no need of addition of this. We will find the addition of this, and we get summation fi xi minus x bar whole square is equal to what? 3 and 4 7, 7 and 2 9, 9 and 5 14, 14 4 18, 18 and 8 26, this is 2, 6 and 2 8, 8 and 2 10, 10 and 8 18, 18 and 5 13, 18 and 5 23, this is 2, 2 and 3 5, 5 and 3 8, 8 and 3 11, 11 and 6 17. Okay, so our sum of these two is what? 1736. Now what we will find out? Summation of, now our variance sigma square is what? Summation I said 1 to n fi xi minus x bar whole square by summation fi. Okay, so this term is what we have find out. This term 1 7 3 6, and this is divided by 40. Now we will solve this. So 4 4s are 160. Okay, so 1 3 6, 4 3s are 120. So it will be 160. 4 4s are, okay. So 43.4 will be our variance of the given data. Okay, so finally what we have done, we have to given the data in the form of xi and fi. Okay, and we have calculated our what? We have to find out mean and variance of the given data. So first we have two options of applying the formula. We can also use the direct method, okay, by the formula. Either we can use the shortcut method, in which we have using the previous question we have solved by that method. Now we can also solve this question by shortcut method also. So we can use any method if from our convenience. Okay, so our xi is this, fi is this. We are taking, first we have to find out mean. Okay, so for find out mean we are taking the multiplication of this xi and fi xi. We have multiplied, this is 12, this is 14, this is 14 into 7, again multiplied by this, again multiplied by this, again multiplied by this, we get this. Okay, now we will find the addition of this and addition of this, we get 760, and this is the sum of frequency, which is 40. Now from these two we can find out our median, mean. So our mean is summation fi xi by summation fi. So we can find out 760 by 40, and our mean is what? 19. Now we will find what? We have to find out our variance. So for find out variance, what we will do? We will find the difference of each observation and the mean. Okay, so we will find, so here is xi minus x bar. So xi is 6 and x bar is 19. So 6 minus 19 will be minus 13. 10 minus 19 will be minus 9, 14 minus 19 minus 5, 18 minus 19 minus 1, 24 minus 19 5, 18 minus 28 minus 19 9, and 30 minus 19 is 11. So we have getting the difference of this. Now what we will do, we will find what the square of these two, and the square of 13 will be what, 169, square of minus 9 is 81, square of minus 1 is 1, square of 5 is 25, 9 is 81, 11 is 121. Okay, now we have to find what our next is fi into xi minus x bar whole square. Okay, now these are observations will be multiplied by the frequency. Now we multiply this frequency with this xi minus x bar whole square. So multiply this with this, we get 338. Multiply by 4 and 81 is 324. Multiplication of 7 and 25 is 175. Multiplication of 12 and 1 is 12. Multiplication of 8 and 25 is 200. 4 and 81 is 324. Okay. Now multiplication of 3 and 121 is 363. Okay. Now we will find the addition of these. So our summation fi xi x bar square will be what? The addition of this will be 1736. Okay. Now we will apply the formula of variance sigma square is summation I is equal to 1 to n fi xi minus x bar whole square divided by summation fi. Now this will be divided by, now this will be equal to 1736 divided by 40, and we get our sigma square, which is our required variance, is 43.4. In this way we can find out our mean and variance from the similar questions, okay, from your exercise. I hope you understand. Okay, and thank you.